Hello everyone. I've got an issue with the work shirt. The seam is pulled out and that is no good. One of the most useful things I ever learned to do was sew. I learned it in middle school in home economics. It saved me a great deal of money when I was in the Navy. I sewed on all of my rating patches, etc. on my uniforms. And I made a little bit of money helping my shipmates also. I think the base exchange services charged $15 a patch, and to do one for a shipmate, they usually kick me $5. It was something to do, and it saved them money, and I made a little bit. Anyway, I'm going to see about fixing that. Now, I already know the hardest thing for me to do is going to be threading this needle. I just know it. My eyes ain't what they used to be. Here's something. Oh, that's huge. Something a little smaller. Not too small. Okay. Let's see if I can do this. No way. And since this is a work shirt, I'm going to go ahead and double up the thread. Got a nice little stop knot there. I'll trim that off. Or so I say. There we go. Scissors are getting dull. My fault, I use them to cut everything. Let's see if I can stab myself. That's way off. Man, I got it pinned. That took a little bit more than I thought it should. So we got a little bit of thread bunching there. Nothing you can do about that. Put back that head up. Well, we'll keep it there for a minute and we'll back it up here. Come through on the edge right there below the thread pull, and it stopped. That's good. And then we go back down. 20 some years since I've tied a knot like that. Alrighty. Ow. Now I stabbed myself. That will bring blood. Ah. Okay. That is going to work just fine. Is it perfect? No. But it doesn't have to be. See the new line right there, about 8 of them, maybe 10. I quit counting. Anyway, that's going to do it. Thanks for joining me. I will see you later.